Good morning, guys. It's sad morning today. Truck will start. Praise God, it start now. We can get water today. Don't run. We just use the trike.